Hey, it's Gunther here, and I'm really excited to be bringing you this video for two reasons. One, I've managed to lose the lockdown hairstyle, but more importantly, the second reason is that the Change Management Toolkit is now available. As I've said before, the toolkit is your single resource for helping you deliver successful projects, programs, embedding organizational change, improving user adoption, and ultimately enabling business transformation. So, what are the benefits of the toolkit? Well, that's a great question. Firstly, you'll be up and running quickly with 35 ready to use templates that you can also customize and extend to meet your specific requirements. Secondly, you'll be able to gain insight from the information that you collect, and this will help shape your change management strategy and your change management plans. Third, you'll learn the art of effective change management because each template has its own guidance on how it should be used, how it relates to the other templates, and ultimately how it fits into the bigger process of change management. And fourth, you'll get a toolkit that can adapt to the ways of working, the ways that you like to work. Do you like working with checklists or a Gantt chart or Kanban boards? Whichever way you prefer, I've got you covered. You'll also get an easy to consume user guide with 9 training videos. You can get immediate access to your own version of the toolkit. It's a lifetime access. It comes with all updates, and there are links above and below this video. Finally, if you feel you need a little more help to get you started, I've got that covered too. There are a limited number of consultation sessions available where I will help you on a one-to-one basis on your business change journey, whether it's using the toolkit, setting up your project or program, or simply just some coaching. Just select this option at the checkout and you'll be good to go. I'm so excited about this, and I'm really looking forward to helping you make your next project a massive success.